Today we're making the cutest love letter melt and pour soaps, complete with a little heart seal on top. It's simple, beginner friendly and perfect for gifting. Let's get everything prepped and jump right in. Before you begin, pre-weigh out your ingredients before starting. Check out the link below for the list of ingredients and measurements. Start by adding your white soap base into the microwave-safe jug. Microwave in short 25 to 30 second bursts, stirring between each one until it's fully melted. Let the melted soap cool slightly, then add your pre-weighed fragrance oil. Stir slowly and gently to avoid bubbles. Now pour 3/4 of your soap base into the square silicone mould. This becomes the main body of your love letter. Set the mould aside so it can start to firm up while we make the hearts. In the remaining 1/4 melted soap, add pink mica powder. Mix in until the colour is smooth and even. Pour your coloured soap into the heart-shaped moulds and let the hearts cool completely and then give a gentle pop out. These little hearts will sit on top of your love letters as a seal. Place the heart in the centre of the silicone square and carefully pour a thin layer of melted soap around it to secure it. Leave your soap to fully harden overnight before moving on to the next stage. Once your soap is hardened, grab a knife or a soap carving tool. Carefully carve 2 lines at either side of the heart to create the envelope effect. Once you have carved your envelope lines, it's time to demold. And just like that, your soap looks like a sealed love letter and ready to be used. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more soap making tutorials like this one.